This is Don Watkins, Community Moderator with Opensource.com with this week's Top 5. This week, we look at 5 ways open source can strengthen your job search, the best open source tutorials, an introduction to mssql-cli, the future of DevOps and multi-cloud environments, and more. At number 5, 5 ways open source can strengthen your job search. Sophie Polson, a senior at Duke University, wants you to know that if you're a seasoned member of the tech community looking for a new challenge, or a recent graduate looking for your first job, contributing to open source projects can be a great way to boost your attractiveness as a candidate. At number 4, best open source tutorials in 2017. Community moderator Scott Nesbitt writes that a well-written tutorial is a great supplement to any software's official documentation. It can also be an effective alternative if that official documentation is poorly written, incomplete, or non-existent. At number 3, an introduction to mssql-cli, a command line client for SQL Server. Amjad Ramanujam is the creator of pg-cli and my-cli. In this article, he provides a step-by-step how-to about mssql-cli, a cross-platform command line client for SQL Server from Microsoft that has been released as open source. It is a complete package with modern features such as auto-completion and syntax highlighting. At number 2, the future of DevOps is the mastery of multi-cloud environments. Thomas Steinborn, Director of Product Management at Talend, with a fascinating look at the future of DevOps. DevOps in a multi-cloud environment will leverage the developer's creativity and imagination to innovate in an endless and seamless stream. And at number 1, the best of Opensource.com 2017, top 27 articles and resources. Community Manager Jason Hibbets wants you to know that in 2017, Opensource.com published more than 1,000 articles and welcomed more than 200 new writers. He looks back at some reader favorites from 2017. He picked the top 22 articles and selected the top 5 resources we've added to the site this year. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.